Hey guys, how's it going? KW and KW Hotels. We're back here in Ocean City, Maryland at the Sea Bay Hotel. So, Sea Bay Hotel, this is a west building. The other building the east building got transformed into the Best Western Plus. So we're gonna go check in. You're gonna be checking in at the Best Western Plus and the Sea Bay Hotel at the Captain's and the Sea Bay Hotel Tower is what they kept original before they renovated the other building with the lobby to the Best Western Plus. So, just know about that. Here's our floor layout map. Map, security, good. Mini fridge clean. Let's check out the microwave. Place had mixed bag reviews. So, looks clean. Coffee. See this, some carry some stuff from Best Western renovation. Looks like newer lamp there. Newer LED lights. Newer looking flooring. This seems to be an ADA room. So we got a big bathroom. Okay, what up? Yep, nice. Got a shower. ADA room. Shower head. It's actually a pretty clean shower head. All grimy on that one, but that one looks pretty clean. Oh yeah, see all that mildew and stuff there. Yeah. That could have been wiped down a lot better. That's kind of dirty, actually. That's just probably like glue or something. So, other than all that being dirty, that's just probably just from some glue or something. So that doesn't concern me at all. Linens worn out. They do give you a lot though. We'll give them that. Smaller looking linens. Feel worn out. Toilet paper. Two double beds. Got a newer RCA TV. Newer looking lamp. Outlets a little bit. Address is Most Datas Hotel. USBs. Put that in there. Awesome. Honestly, older building. Older furniture. They've done some minor updates, but yeah, we'll get to that in a minute. That's stained, if you can see that. Chrome stained. Check out this air filter. Try to put an air freshener in there. Okay, that hasn't been cleaned. Dust flying everywhere now. Okay, there's that. They do have updated bedding. In the pictures, they had older bedding, but they do have updated bedding, so that's good. Check this in. It's checked in here my way. What we got here? Got that. Don't know if that's dirty. Could just be stained. This place had a mixed bag review, so I'm gonna look this bed a little bit more in depth than I would at other places. I like this nice looking Marriott bedroom though. Look at that. The sheets don't feel bad. The sheets feel a lot better than Dunes. Bed bug cover on the bed. That's nice. Mattress. Oh yeah. These mattresses are definitely original. Yeah, I can feel the springs on this. Older mattress. Yeah. Older mattress. You can feel the springs. Might be the most uncomfortable mattress yet that I've been to an OC. Maybe. So we'll see. Got a nice little balcony. Chairs. There is a pool. The Best Western building with the lobby, and the bar has another pool for the Best Western guests. You got your little pool here, and yeah. right here looking at the bay. Gonna go chill right there. What I was pointing for more of the bay or stuff. And yeah, they repainted the building out here, so it's up to that. They could use some updates. Table's loose, one of these legs were. Yep. Benefits from new furniture. New mattresses. That's all stained. They got really main thing about this room. This room kind of feels like a sane asylum. Carpet's not too bad, but they could really benefit with like a accent wall right here. Accent wall would help make this room feel less bland and like a sane asylum. You know. Yeah, I like the code at least when it does these minor updates is at least put an accent wall. I think that would help the room a lot. I mean the carpet's not too bad. Get new furniture and at least put an accent wall. They can keep the color of the walls here. Just at least an accent wall, newer furnishings. That's all you really need to do to bring this room up to date. We have some cleanliness issues in the bathroom, so that's kind of gross. That's gonna have to be wiped down before I use that. No stains there. Bed does appear to be clean. Now the room has like some kind of like chemical musty smell. Maybe it makes that air freshener is found in the AC filter, but that smells not the greatest in here. But this one, we're here on a weekend, and it is, what is today's date? Today is June 18th. It's on a Saturday, it's on a weekend, senior week. We didn't plan on coming down for a senior week, just happened we're down here. Expensive. Got this hotel on Hotwire. It was $354. But if you go get, obviously it's gonna be more staying in the Best Western Tower. Best Western Plus Tower, but if you go, I showed Book Direct. You go on the other side of the hallway, there's rooms, and it faces the street, and you go on for $320 on their website to get the street view room, which I would have done because it would have been cheaper than if you were to Book Direct on their site to get the bay view room, which we have here. It was $364, so, and I got for $354 on Hotwire, so. Couple bucks savings. I would have gotten a cheaper room. Then the Bayview is nice though, for sure. And the only other hotels I saw in the $300 range for the weekend was the Thunderbird Motel, the Sea Cove Motel, which I haven't been there, but bad reviews all around, 2 stars. So I would stay away from that place. Then Sea Cove Motel, Thunderbird Motel. I think the Oceanic was in the $300 range ish. But you don't really get any actual balcony like this. And you got Bayview for in the $300 range, like, so it's a cheaper option. Other than some cleanliness issues and the smell, kind of recommend this hotel. It's a little bit of a cheaper option. It's not terrible. It's not the worst hotel I stayed in OC, but it's not the best. If I want to come down here for a weekend, it's not terrible. I have to do something about the smell in here. I'll leave it up to you guys if you guys want to stay here, or maybe shell out a little bit more money to stay in a nicer Best Western building that's renovated. I don't know. The smell though, the smell. That's my main complaint. So, bed is clean, somewhere to lay your head. This place for $300 something for the weekend. I mean, yes, it's expensive, but compared to everything else, it's not too bad. We could be doing a lot worse here, so yeah. If you just want a clean place to lay your head with a bay view, I guess the Sea Bay Hotel could be your place, and yeah. And by the way, the location is great here before I get off. Baker's Island is literally right there. We got the Coconut Mallory. We were supposed to stay here for cruise week, but they canceled our reservations, so Screw them on. And Secrets is here too. All walking distance, so you're right next to the big beach clubs. So this is a good location for that. I think I know got like healing here and stuff, so. Anyway, yeah, that's all I got for you, and it's just been a honest, full room tour of the Sea Bay Hotel in Ocean City, Maryland. If you like what you see, please like, share, subscribe, and KW out.